not playing.
No, baby. Not me, baby.
Not me, baby.
I ain't got nothing on back here.
You got it all.
Oh, shit. Why are you so aggressive, sir?
It's an ostrich. Have you ever seen a non-aggressive ostrich? Please tell me. I just need to know. America, please let me know when you see a non-aggressive ostrich. Because all ostriches I met have been aggressive as hell. That's an aggressive-ass ostrich.
He's like, what else you got?
Look. He's about to shake us down.
Wait, I just want a video over this.